bedtime story. Goodnight, construction site. Welcome to the bustling construction site. As the sun sets behind the city skyline, it's time for all the hardworking vehicles to rest. The cranes bow their heads, and the diggers settle into the dirt. Are you ready to help tuck them in? Let's roll through the site and make sure each vehicle is ready for a good night. Hello, Bulldozer. Bulldozer has been pushing piles of earth all day, making big jobs seem small. Now he lowers his blade, yawns a wide, rumbling yawn, and dreams of moving mountains. Can you pat his sturdy side and wish him a restful good night? Good night, Bulldozer. Hello, Excavator. Excavator has been digging deep, her mighty arm scooping the earth. As twilight falls, she curls her arm in and nestles into the soft soil. Let's whisper a soothing goodnight to Excavator. Good night, Excavator. Hello, Crane. Crane has reached high into the sky today, lifting beams to the tops of towers. He now folds his long neck and takes a well-deserved break under the stars. Shall we stretch our arms up high and wave goodnight to Crane? Good night, Crane. Hello, Cement Mixer. Cement Mixer has been spinning round and round, mixing up a storm. With the moon reflecting in his shiny drum, he slows to a stop, content with the day's work. Can we turn in a circle and say a dizzy goodnight to Cement Mixer? Good night, Cement Mixer. Hello, Dump Truck. Dump Truck has been hauling loads from dawn till dusk, never complaining. Now he backs into his spot, lowers his bed, and looks forward to a quiet night. Let's beep a friendly goodnight as we back away from Dump Truck. Good night, Dump Truck. Hello, Backhoe. Backhoe has been reaching and pulling, versatile and quick. As the cool evening air settles in, he tucks himself between two piles of gravel. Can we mimic his motions and scoop a good night to Backhoe? Good night, Backhoe. Hello, Road Roller. Road Roller has been flattening paths for future travelers, steady and sure. He now parks beside the newly paved road, his heavy drums resting. Whisper a smooth goodnight to Road Roller, as gentle as the road he made. Good night, Road Roller. Hello, Tower Crane. Tower Crane has been silently watching over the site, its cab like a watchful eye. Now, as the night grows deeper, he turns off his lights and settles in for a dream of skyscrapers. Let's blink our eyes slowly and wish Tower Crane a towering good night. Good night, Tower Crane. All the vehicles are parked and silent, engines off and tasks complete. It's your turn to lay down, close your eyes, and dream of building amazing things. Good night, little builder. Good night, construction site.